The Ford government has often pointed to the Scarborough subway extension as evidence that the province can construct a 55-kilometre tunnel across the Highway 401. But new documents from Metrolinx reveal it was more difficult than first imagined. The soil beneath the highway began to shift, and traffic above it had to be halted. For more than 2 years, a tunnel boring machine has been cutting a new path in Scarborough to extend the subway north. But as it inched forward, the machine encountered issues beneath Highway 401, the same highway under which Premier Doug Ford wants to build a new congestion-relieving tunnel.
We need investment on the tunnel. We have the busiest highway in North America, so we're going to get it done.
Documents prepared by Metrolinx show the boring machine started its work in early 2023, but experienced difficulty under the 401 and McCowan sometime in 2024. The provincial agency said the ground conditions, combined with the wear and tear on the machine, heightened the risk of soil shifting. In order to avoid the worst-case scenario, the government was then forced to siphon traffic on the 401. The agency says out of an abundance of caution, lanes were closed on the 401 in June and July of 2024. All of it kept under wraps by Metrolinx.
I mean, this is our money. It is the people's money that's building these projects, and people have a right to know, when things are going wrong or going sideways and what's causing delays.
After tunneling under the 401, the boring machine was so banged up, it needed an 8-month rest for repair. Critics say that raises questions about the province's ability to tunnel under the entire highway.
It says to us that there's obviously some complications associated with tunneling under the 401, as you would expect, and as we have been told by countless engineers and experts already. And so it, I think, causes us to question the Premier's obsession around this vanity project.
Metrolinx says the Scarborough subway is back on track. The machine has so far tunneled 3 kilometres of a 7.8-kilometre extension. Other provincial documents also reveal the province is watching the progression of the Scarborough subway extension closely to determine whether it can push ahead with the 401 tunnel. The risks of soil settlement and traffic impacts are among the top concerns. At Queen's Park, I'm Colin D'Mello.